Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy tuna onigiri. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 cups of cooked short-grain rice, 1 can of drained tuna, and a few nori sheets. You'll also need mayonnaise, a dash of soy sauce, and a tiny pinch of salt. Don't forget a small bowl of water and some plastic wrap for shaping later. This simple method makes delicious onigiri quickly. Now, let's prepare the delicious tuna filling. Take your drained tuna and place it in a small bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and just a tiny pinch of salt. Mix everything together thoroughly until the tuna is well coated and has a creamy consistency. This simple mixture is the heart of your onigiri. Next, it's time to shape your onigiri. Lightly wet your hands with water or use a piece of plastic wrap for easier handling. Take about 1/2 cup of cooked rice and flatten it into a disc in your palm. Place about 1 tablespoon of your tuna filling in the center. Carefully bring the rice up around the filling, then gently press and shape it into a firm triangle or a round ball. Repeat for more onigiri. Finally, let's finish your onigiri. Take a nori sheet and cut it into strips roughly 1.5 inches wide. Wrap 1 strip around the base or side of each shaped rice ball. The nori adds a lovely flavor and makes them easier to hold. Your delicious tuna onigiri are now ready to enjoy. They're perfect for a quick snack or a packed lunch. Store any extras in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.